Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to set up Facebook pixel for your WordPress website. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com if you have not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page where in the upper right corner you can get started with logging into your account. So go ahead and create a new account if you do not already have one. If you have one, log in, and after successfully logging in, you'll be greeted by this home page where at the left side screen you can get started with accessing all the options you have, such as home, statistics, upgrades, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started with setting up Google Pixel and Facebook Pixel as well for a WordPress website. So basically, guys, what you're looking for is the code you want to paste. There are two ways, guys. The first way is to connect your Facebook. So this is not something you want to do. You can need to go into tools right here and then into advertising and monetizing and so on. So you can go, let's say, into marketing and get started connecting some of your connections page to your Facebook right here. So in the connections tab, you can have the option to connect Facebook, but this is not what you're really looking for. What you want to do is open up your Facebook pixel, and after opening up your Facebook pixel, you want to find the code for your pixel. Once you have gotten your code and copied it, now you can go into editor mode. So let's go and open up appearance right here and click editor. That's going to open up this editor mode for our website where we can get started adding anything we want. So once you have clicked on your website, in the upper left corner is going to be a big plus button that's going to enable us to add anything we want, and one of the options is going to be called code. So what you can do, guys, is add the code to your website. As you can see, this is now going to enable us to write the code we want to use. Here you can paste your Facebook pixel code. That's automatically going to apply that code into your page right here. Enable Facebook pixel to start tracking, and it's easy as that. Once you're satisfied with adding it, just click save in the upper right corner, and after saving it, it's going to be applied to your website, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful, guys. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.